Mamma mia, mamma mia, mamma mia, let me go. Beelzebub has a bubble to the side for me, for me, for me.
So we have probably a piece of rose that we can put in the center.
We have a piece of rose.
We have a piece of our daughter that we can put in the center.
We have a...
Like we have her legs.
You want a piece of me? You want a piece of me?
Her little legs. Her leggy legs.
Her legs.
Her leggy legs.
Her
leggy
legs.
Her
little legs.
And then we gotta unlock the other door.
Are her legs just like floating around in that jar?
It seems like they...
Or did they just like parade her?
It sounds like that she turned into like crystal and then they took those into pieces of crystal.
I like the idea that they just put her like in a blender.
How would they be able to tell which thing was which then? They like cut her up and then blend each separate piece?
Yeah, and then they just...
This is a fucked up conversation.
Oh, there's a lights flask. Okay. Have
Yeah, we need
my
to put that in the...
parade
Very nice.
daughter. My daughter that's been put in a blender.
How does Ethan know he's not just playing exactly into these people's plans?
Oh, I'm sure he is, because he's just not that bright.
There's that door.
Let's go for it.
A knockaroo.
Is this it? Or do I have to... Okay.
So you go.
Yeah. I unlocked it.
Valuable.
Alright, I'm kind of scared.
I'm sure it's gonna land well.
I'm expecting that witch to come out cackling. Oh,
Oh.
I knew it. How did I know? Okay.
Oh, that was painful. Oh.
Okay.
I think he'll lose his leg too.
My arm is already mangled. Like, I don't need any.
He's oddly not. We're not seeing any damage from all these bites, weirdly enough.
I know.
I think you're able to run.
Oh, shit. Here we go. Oh, okay. He has to reload, of course. Just slowly reloading.
Oh, he just leaves while you're taking too long to reload.
Okay. I guess I just won't worry about him then.
I think he's probably gonna still be around, maybe. I think that's probably the hint.
At least the music's not.
Ooh, what'd he write?
The wounds are severe. I won't last much longer. I can hear it shuffling about outside. It barely flinched when I shot it. I feel like it's toying with me. That isn't a wolf.
No shit.
Still, I won't lie down like a dog. Looks like he did, though.
He's sitting. He's sitting.
That's true. If I can get to the old watermill, I can stop it. I can protect you. It's so close. Damn, I'm so cold. My legs won't work. I'm so sorry, Louisa.
Yeah.
Please forgive me.
Wait, oh, that's her husband that went disappear. That she was like, oh, he's probably getting help.
Oh, well.
Well, she's dead now, too, so you guys are together in the afterlife.
Whoosh. I like how he just burst through the door, like, I'm here. I'm here, bitches.
Actually, I think it's this one. Why do you even bother making me open this door?
I don't know.
Put shit in it. Why you waste my time? Oh, finally, a sink that has something under it.
Wow. That's, like, unprecedented. Happy birthday. Wait, whose birthday on the wall? Looks like...
A child?
270917. Okay.
I feel like this house is gonna jump scare me. There's gonna be something over here.
Yeah, I feel like that too. But... freaking creak. It's like creak. Okay, why are there like all these tools on the wall? That just...
Well, because
that just screams.
it looks like this person makes instruments.
Okay.
So.
Okay, it just like screams like those horror movies where they all come flying off. Like,
no, but it's like if you're making instruments, that makes sense. You need all those tools to refine.
I don't like that in horror games. I have trust issues. I feel like they're gonna come flying off the wall at me.
Oh.
Oh, we got a log. Great. Oh, it's at 27:9:17. 27:09.
From what?
I think it's at 27:09. I think it was 27. 27:09.
Where are you getting this number from?
That was the birthday on that painting or that picture.
Oh.
27:09:17. I think it said.
Very smart.
I have my moments.
don't get used to it.
Hey, I remembered.
Very nice. Good job.
I'm actually kind of impressed I remembered that.
Yeah, that was impressive. You kind of glanced at it and just
I did.
remembered
I was
it.
like,
Oh,
Still.
we got a bird now?
Nice. What's that hanging up on the wall on the ceiling? Is that just
This is something in here.
instrument?
It's just an
Yeah, I guess
instrument. It's a
I thought
lute.
it was a dead body for a second.
A lute, I think?
Why'd you hang it from the ceiling? It's kind of weird. Okay, whatever.
Um,
Oh wait, there's a ladder up there. Can you take that down? Is it like a trapdoor? No. Okay. It's just a ladder hanging on the.
what is up with all the noises in this house?
I'm confused what the ladder is on the ceiling for. It's really strange. Strange architecture. Or maybe that's just a hanger. I don't know. Maybe it's not a ladder. It's just a hanger.
That's definitely a ladder.
It's weird. Crack. Snap. Crackle. Pop.
That's where my brain was going to.
It's like somebody like cracking their knuckles out.
There's gotta be a shiny to shoot or something around here.
Anything in the pot that we can eat? Seems like Ethan would be getting hungry by now.
He's a mold human, he's fine.
It's true.
Probably doesn't even need food.
Oh. Anything up there? No? Secrets? What secrets do you possess? Can we take a wrench? Wire cutters? Something?
It's very organized.
It is. I'm a good
Ooh,
example
I
of
found
that.
it.
Oh, hey. Nice.
That was well hidden.
It was.
Okay, I think that's everything in here.
Sweet. They need to chill with the garlic. Like, I don't think it's helping. To be honest. Like, I don't think it's helping. It's like they were like, oh, garlic will ward away the vampires, but then they didn't realize the vampires were actually just bug people. And probably appreciate the garlic. Oh! This is gonna start happening when you're like walking through the woods.
If I heard that while I was walking through the woods, I'd be walking through the woods a lot faster. I feel like, and I am out of the woods, thank you.
We should do that when it gets wintertime. Like, go to like a trail or something and just hide in the woods and be like, whoa! Like, freak out people.
We might get people shouting back,
I hope so. They're kind of amazing. Somebody put their cup on the counter and leave like marks on it. Rude. Use a damn
Coaster?
Coaster.
Coaster, I got you.
I was like, what are those things called?
Oh god.
Oh.
Okay. Guess we're over here now.
He's just like vaulting over the.
I think it's maybe on the outside somewhere.
After getting mauled by that wolf bear thing, I don't know how he can vault.
Yeah, well, we didn't even see a single cut appear on him.
Yeah, it's
from
kind of
that,
weird.
so
Like he like sliced his hand open on a little barbed wire, but
You don't see any blood in this game.
despite the fact he got
they like
mauled,
PG his injuries a little bit, and then
Well,
they
it's, like,
don't.
weird,
It's like they
'cause
pick
it's
and choose what to PG.
well, it's like the barbed wire like cut the crap out of his hand, but
And then they graphically showed us that his hand, like him losing his fingers. But then when he gets injured, like getting ripped apart by werewolf,
he got
they're just
mauled.
like, yeah, you don't need to see that.
he got mauled. And
Yeah.
it's like his legs are fine, I guess.
And we didn't see a single drop of blood during that entire scene.
No. It's like, okay. He needs to put some more healing juice on his hand. And his fingers will just, like, regenerate like a skink. Will just become like a skink fingers.
A gecko just
Yeah, like,
your tail.
yeah,
but
you get regress tail. Ready for werewolf dog. I wonder if there's more of those. Oh, we can just, rifle the crap out of it.
Where is it? Oh god, it's just gonna be a thing around here now.
Oh,
Can you get up here?
probably. Expect it. Oh.
I can get up here! I can just jump up here!
Clyde's alarmed.
So good!
Are you okay?
Locked! The door's locked! Let me through!
Oh my god. Oh no. Oh, there's another gun.
Don't come in here. I'm not in here. You don't know I'm here.
So safer. I hope. Oh, we got a lockpick too.
Sorry, Clyde.
Clyde's like,
he's looking at me like, what the fuck is wrong with you, lady?
Clyde's like, okay.
Hey, buddy.
Clyde's like, you okay? I'll protect you.
I was just scared of being chased, sir. I'm scared. I'm scared. Scared. I'm scared. Scared.
Is that a shotty? Shotgun?
Is that another shotgun?
Is that another shotgun? What is that? Oh, it's a grenade launcher! Oh, that's what we need to kill that thing.
So that's what these are for. Mr. Wolfie! Mr. Wolf, sir!
We have
I
five.
have a grenade launcher!
And we have five rounds of grenade launching ammo.
Oh, there he is.
Bam! Oh! Get him again.
That looked painful, sir.
Oh, get him! Oh, no, shit! Oh no, we didn't know.
I'm fine.
Well, this is handy. We'll just.
Do you think he's killable?
Yeah, for sure. Reload. I don't think it's reloaded. There we go.
Alright, where'd he go?
Crystal.
Oh, yeah!
You killed him!
Huzzah! He's dead now!
Yay! Whoa! Wait. If you keep doing that, it looks like he has like 3 hands.
Yes!
Ethan? Is there something? Maybe this is why we don't ever get to see Ethan like in game. Like maybe he has like 3 arms.
Hi.
Oh, nice. That's powerful. That's actually really powerful. At least. Oh, not too powerful.
Yeah, it is. It's pretty powerful. Substance.
Oh,
That did it. Can I break it over here, too?
maybe. No.
That's a bit misleading. Oh, gotta find it.
Those red stairs are not appealing at all. I want to talk to the interior decorator here.
Double checking.
Double
This leads
chicken?
under the house.
Double chicken, you mean?
Haha.
Ethan climbing with his busted
hand.
3-fingered hand. Sorry, Piggy. Oh. Shout to the heart, and you're to blame, baby. You give love a bad name. Hello? Is that fish I can take? Can I just take this fish and like take it to Duke and be like, fix me
Here's
up.
some rotten fish.
Here's some rotten fish. Probably fine. Let me in!
Like, it totally counts. In all its rotten glory.
You think maybe like we're the monster to the monsters? Like maybe they're looking at us like.
I mean,
Maybe they're scared of us.
I don't really think it's that deep.
I don't know, I'd be kind of afraid of Ethan. He looks like he's on drugs. It's like Ethan won't stop. He's got 3 fingers, he's been mauled. He just keeps coming. I'd be a little afraid of him. Oh, I found a rose thing.
Which means it's about to go south
Yep.
fast. Oh, hey, there's the other dude.
At the... Okay, can I just take that, please? Thanks.
Oh. Okay,
Arms.
what?
Ew!
Oh.
Okay, that was gross. So you got coronavirus? Because I don't want that.
Like throwing up everywhere?
Ew.
Nasty. This
I'll
whole
just be
net.
taking this. What are you doing with Mother's special child?
Look
She's
at
not
Ethan.
hers.
Ethan's just like, I'll just be taking this.
I'm just gonna take this way!
Look, I'll just casually let me go.
What do you mean, Mother's special child? Mother wants her baby back.
Be like, I'm taking it to
Don't
Mother.
start with me. Wait, please. If you take it, then the others will laugh at me. But if I do better than them... What do I care? Wait, just a little longer, please.
Why would you wait, Ethan?
Aww.
Ethan.
Give him a pat on the back.
Ethan, you're an idiot.
Stupid. You talk too much.
Oh, he's even said he's stupid. So it's not just me. Oh. This is why you don't engage with the enemy.
Yeah, that was pretty dumb. He's just like sitting there casually talking with the guy, like, what? Ethan, why?
Okay, I guess we're just gonna ease out here. Cool.
I mean, it didn't take him that hard to sneak. Maybe you should just practice some self-awareness.
How do I get out of here?
Here? No.
Go that way. No, that way.
Oh. That was it?
Well, not running.
That was it?
Area.
Okay.
That seems a little bit like a death trap.
There's a boot. Boot? There's a snake in my boot.
Where's the other boot?
Oh, we don't have the boat key yet.
In the mine. Okay,
Oh.
so it's in the mine somewhere. Let's go back.
Alright.
We're so observant. We pay attention so well.
Hello.
So new. Ew.
Sloshy.
Oh, there's stairs.
It's just this shiny texture. Got excited for like 5 seconds. Oh,
Oh. No.
take that.
Okay. Is that all that's up there? Is there more of a... Wait, turn and look straight ahead there? Oh.
Cool.
So goopy.
Damn, this way's no good.
No shit.
No shit, Ethan. Just gonna clean up this. Okay, they need to give me the key. Some force could break it. Do I...
Shotgun it, maybe?
Let's climb down the ladder with our 3 fingers. Could you turn your light on, Ethan? Like, it's a little dark. Kinda hard to see.
He's conserving power.
Yes, it is. There's multiples and they're eating something.
Oh, nice. Good job.
Ratchet.
Oh, Jesus. We probably should have went back and got some health supplies from Duke, huh? Because we definitely don't have any to make, so you might want to be extra careful here.
Shit. Come on, stop moving! No! Son of a bitch. Oh man, there's more.
I'd pull out the shotgun if I were you.
Yeah. Oh no! Armor
That
dude.
guy.
Oh, shit. Probably that'll do it. Cool.
That was quite the yell.
I think it saved me though. Up here. They expected us to die. Okay. I am taking out my shotgun first. Okay. Goodbye. Farewell. I hope we never meet again. Just gonna go this way. Oh, I got the boat key. Excuse me.
I'll probably sneak up behind you.
Probably. Oh shit, he can't sneak through the window. Bullshit. Oh shit! Go through the window! Jump out! Shit, shit, shit. Oh shit, wait. You know what?
I don't think it's need to go that far. Oh, that was a waste, Sarah. Oh my god, that was a waste. Oh, it's painful. Oh my god, what are you doing?
That's funny.
Wait, there's a herb on the ground.
Worth it. Okay, wait. Excuse me. Shit.
That was a little broken.
But did I die?
God, but at what cost? That probably would be useful later.
That's fine, we can buy something from the Duke. We're rich!
God. Bring it back. It's a weird place to put those keys. Is that where keys usually go in boats? Don't these boats usually not need keys?
I thought you just like pulled it like a gas,
like a That's why it's kind of weird. It's just like, what?
Yeah, I thought it was like a lawnmower and you just kind of rub it up. But what do I know?
Yeah, I'm not a boat expert, so I guess I can't really pretend to know. So shit, I can get over here. What?
It's a giant fish.
What was that?
I'm sure it's fine.
Giant fish. Jonah the whale.
Can I park over here and look at this thing?
I guess not. Go straight for the Jonah and the whale story. Somewhere out here.
Cave over here.
Yeah.
Which way we going?
Let's go in the little dark cavern. Looks very dodgy, but... Oh, it's kind of a strange... Okay, whatever. I don't think that's how it works, but...
It just rotate.
What do I know?
It just rotate.
Like I said, I'm not a boat expert, but... I think I saw some movement up there. I don't know if that was help. It's very strange, Ethan. Ethan, are you okay? It's like,
It just looks so weird.
it looks really strange.
Anyway.
It just like does it so fast.
Oh, okay, cutscene?
What the hell?
What?
Research post or something?
Why is this
What
thing
are
that's
they
strange?
doing here?
Why is this a strange part to him? Oh, what the hell? I don't know. What's going on here?
Fuck down!
Ethan!
What?
I gotta say, I'm surprised you made it this
Oh,
far.
Chris?
It'd be a shame if something happened to you now.
Sure, Chris. Why not? You killed Mia.
No, I
Now
didn't.
do me and finish the job.
Hey, Cap. I'm getting some serious motion readings out here. We should move on.
Motion rings.
What kind of readings? What's moving? You stay out of our business, Ethan.
What business?
Oh, bye, Chris.
He says to stay out of his business, but you're the one that got us involved. So,
Yeah.
I mean,
Chris. Like, technically, Chris, I don't know what you expect if you take our daughter, because that kind of is our business.
yeah, it's like, that's my...
And kill our wife, like, that is our business.
Yeah,
so
it's kind of...
it's like, I don't know what you expect here,
Stay
buddy.
back.
Did he turn into a giant fish?
Mm.
Is he the giant fish?
You're done. I don't have time for this.
Listen, Quasi.
Miranda sent you to slow me down? You're pathetic.
Okay. Why do I feel kind of bad for it? Ew! Stop it! Ew, 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 ew. Okay, I don't feel bad for it anymore.
Yeah. I don't know why Ethan let it get that close anyway.
Yeah,
Something that nasty. Like, if somebody was walking around throwing up, I'd be like, you stay 6 feet away from me.
10 feet away. Shit.
Also, if somebody was throwing up like that. Oh, I knew it. He is the giant fish.
Oh.
If somebody was throwing up like that towards me, I'd be like,
Like, same.
and you like gagging like stay over there.
So just the smell alone would be like, wanna go swim? Cool.
Securing goods is more important than good day then.
He's just like talking over himself. Securing goods, good day then.
Huh?
He's like, securing goods, good day then. It's like, okay.
It's like, oh, she's not listening anyway. There. That's really good. Oh, I'm stupid. Could be.
I guess he's just gonna go out in the mud. It's cool.
What's he do? Oh. Looks like I'm seeing things, and I don't really find anything.
Money.
Anything here? I'm like completely unbothered by this guy roaring dramatically in the background as I'm looking for shit.
It's just like, oh, fishy.
Nice.
Damn, what?
Would you like to see there?
I mean, that was what he wanted to do, isn't it?
I think he wanted to maybe get over there.
Yeah. Well, I don't know what you expect when you push a thing in the water. I mean,
I think he maybe wanted it to float.
it's not gonna float. It's heavy. Ethan.
Yeah, there's maggots and shit in there.
I would wear some gloves.
Wash your hands.
Back. Oh. I guess now you can push it again.
Really? I have to actually think about this. I didn't wake up this morning in a mood to think about things. You know?
If you know, you know.
Okay, so...
So break that thing first, and I think you're gonna have to do the white one last. You're gonna want to do the white one last. I think you're gonna go blue, then orange, and then the white, and then go for it.
Which one? What? It was blue. Blue one was the one that we lost first, right?
Yeah.
I like this one probably.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. And then push that orange one again. Come on. What?
He's really feeling himself. He's just having a good day.
I mean, he's got confidence. Oh my god. He's got mommy issues too.
Don't they all?
It's true.
Miss me, bitch!
I feel like this is like one of those like toxic Tinder guys. Like,
God, he just like...
he's on Plenty of Fish. I'm great, but
You won't fucking, like, stop. Like, just, like, constantly bugging us.
yeah.
Yeah, that's what he wanted to happen in the other area.
Well, sorry, Ethan.
Okay. All the way around and around and around and around. Alright, now that we've risen this thing.
Look, it's got maggots on it. It's disgusting.
Fancy.
Oh, stop it. Annoying. It's like not even scary, it's irritating. It's like I'm really
A
not.
child throwing a temper tantrum.
It's like I'm really not alarmed for your annoyingness. Slash those pustules.
I am trying to look around and you're like really not shutting the fuck up.
Yeah, it's like, just
Not helping.
just chill.
Can you like take a breather? Like, my god.
Just
Yeah. Do I need to use that on here? Okay. Took it, and then now we use it.
That was a little
I
weird.
don't really know what this is for.
I don't either.
It's not very clarified. Is this for power?
Maybe it's to pull up that ladder. Maybe crank it down there. There it is. A little weird, but
I'm
okay.
getting really annoyed by this guy.
It's kind of just irritating.
Can you, like, stop?
It's just...
I'm not enjoying the constant remote vibration and nuisance of your attitude. I'm out of here.
Alright.
Oh, apparently we still have this.
Me!
Miss me, bitch.
He sounds like... Oh, okay.
Thank fucking God. I was getting so sick of listening to that.
Can you use the crank on this?
Yeah. We've got many things we can use the crank on.
Yay. Hi-ho! Hi-ho!
It's off to work we go.
Okay.
I guess a lot of kids these days wouldn't know that song as well.
Really?
Well, yeah, because that's a really old Disney
I
movie.
guess so. Did you have to take the crank, or was that...
It automatically takes it. See, it's an
Wait,
infrared.
was that shiny, or was that just a reflection?
What?
I thought I saw like shinies up that way. Turn. Was that shiny? Oh, that's just... Oh, okay.
Electricity.
I thought it was a shiny. It's
It's
just...
the electric slide.
Alright.
Okay, so
Put that orange one over there. Yeah, it's one of the slide puzzles. Nice.
okay. Thank you for your contribution.
I like how they just have it like up there,
Oh,
like...
so that's where it gets hard. Is the black one
Oh.
needs to move? How do I move it?
Wait, can you just... What happens if you click on the black one? Nothing?
I can't.
Oh.
That's why I'm wondering how to move it.
Oh, it's sideways. You just have to flip it. So it needs to be orange diagonally that way.
But
It's just flipped. You're looking at the picture, you just flip it. The black one doesn't move, so it's just a flipped image.
very nice. Good job. I didn't see that. Okay, well my brain's a little dead today, so this one needs to be blue. There we go. Cool. Hey, doopy doop.
Duke, 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 Duke of Earl. Duke, Duke, Duke of Earl. Duke,
all the ring, man.
Duke, Duke of Earl.
Welcome, Ethan.
Thank you.
All the noir. What's over here? We need we didn't pull the lever.
Oh, so
Typical us. We didn't finish the full thing.
it was to drain the water.
Got it.
Drain the swamp! Oh shit. I'm just gonna let him dehydrate there.
Goodbye.
Dehydrated.
See you later, alligator. Where did it go?
October 1st, a sunny day. Mother Miranda brought me 5 peoples from the village. Just like I asked.
Not you, the person who wrote.
Askadid.
Oh,
I made
God.
them sleep
What
with some...
is that? Why did they add 2 EDs?
I don't know, I don't like it.
Askadid.
Askadid. I made them sleep with some liquid, and I put Cadeau in their tummies. I'm looking forward to the Cadeau to grow in their tummies.
The Cadeau?
October 2nd, a cloudy day. 4 of the people from the village are dead this morning. 1 is almost a lichen. I sent it to my lab in the mountain. I failed again. Mother wants strong vessels, but I cannot get any. I will need more people from the village. Well...
Why are these people in the village just casually living here when there's just like constantly... How do they even have people to spare at this point?
Right?
They're just like casually every day. It's like, oh, Tom went missing the other day. Yeah, he went down to the other Duke. Yep, he's gone. Not coming back. Nope, there goes Jerry. That's just their life, and they're totally okay with it.
I guess so. I mean,
Check the area first.
well,
Should I be moving?
probably.
Yes, I got it.
Oh, is this the part where we fight this guy?
Yes.
Ow! Ew! Disgusting.
I don't appreciate that, man. Wash your mouth. Kill the little guy inside.
I know, but he's gotta come out first.
Breathe.
Stop moving! Ow!
This guy's got serious issues.
Ow!
Oh, he's red. He's angry.
Thank you.
That or he's embarrassed.
Fucking dumbass, it's a wall. Who could have loved you, nasty ass fish bitch? Oh god.
No, but I do.
No, ew, disgusting. Oh god. Oh, it just gets worse. Oh, ew. What the fuck am I supposed to do there?
Okay.
Excuse me?
That was weird.
Was it like acid rain? Was I supposed to go into
Acid
shelter?
rain. Acid rain.
What kind just happened?
Yeah, maybe we're supposed to just take shelter underneath the.
You know, you disgusting. Disgusting!
Pass.
No. No thank you.
Pass.
I don't want to. Not today. If you're stuck, stay
I wonder
there.
I wonder if he's been eating Duke's food. That makes me worried about eating Duke's food now.
Don't run, he says. I'm gonna run. Open up! Do I need a shotgun you to open?
Acid rain.
I need to get under like these areas to like avoid it when he does that nasty thing. Oh, somebody's commenting?
What difficulty are you playing on?
The
Ten.
regular, I think.
Yeah, it's
normal.
regular. It's just regular, normal. We're not that good. We're not good enough for hardcore. We're not that skilled. We're not skilled. We can't even function with the menu, so.
Yeah. Oh no.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Oh no! Pass! Pass!
Yeah, that was the solution. It was just like
Yeah,
acid
just-
rain.
Acid.
Should I shoot him?
Maybe get his eyes. On his head, maybe.
That was disgusting.
Nasty.
This area is so disgusting. I want to go back to the castle.
I'm not a fan of
What
this
is
guy.
he doing?
He's like a half frog, half fish. And I'm not a fan, honestly.
You wanna come out?
Come out, play.
No?
Oh,
Yes,
shoot
maybe try.
belly. Shoot belly. Damn. The heck? I think he's got worms.
Oh god! Oh
restore,
no!
Restore health. Restore health.
Oh man, I'm bomb.
Oh, bomb. Yes. Come over here. Come over here. More door. Whatever your name is.
That's not the way I
Oh.
want you to go.
Oh.
I was no longer aiming at it! Ah!
Oh no. Oh no. your favorite weapon or gun? You play very good. Well, thank you.
Thank you!
Thank you, thank you,
Our
thank you.
favorite gun is the shotgun?
I like
I kind of like the shotgun.
I like the
missile
shotgun.
launcher's pretty cool too, though.
the shot. Yeah.
Oh.
I just feel like he's really.
Stuck on the
He
wall.
just seems like he's really lonely.
He gets stuck on the wall a lot.
He's stuck.
kinda-
He's just stuck in life in general.
His map, what's the
Game
ray
mapping.
tracing map
Yeah, the
thing?
mapping.
Not ray tracing. Ray tracing's light. I mean,
Pathing.
now that I'm complaining.
It would be pathing. Yeah,
Pathing.
pathing.
Thank you.
Sir.
Oh god, no, not this again.
Oh no, he's gonna vomit. He's gonna hurl. He's gonna hurl. It just reminds me of like the time I had stomach flu and I'm not about it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
I'm stuck in the wall.
He's just.
I thought that was Ethan making that sound for a moment. I was like, god damn, Ethan.
Ethan, you don't need to cry.
It's okay. You know what? Let me make some bombs.
There's an idea.
Some mines.
Some mines, some bombs, some pipe bombs. Okay. Friend? Come on over.
Alright, can you set off your own bombs? You know, I don't want to find out.
Where's he go? Where is he?
He is.
Sir?
He's doing some things, I guess. We're gonna put some here. Just
Gonna litter him around.
Yeah. What?
Oh, there he is. Oh.
Oh,
Shoot
hey!
him, shoot him when he's
Good
out.
work.
Shoot him while he's out. Oh. Oh, he's. Oh.
Is that it?
Guess he's it. Ew.
Oh, no.
He's gonna blow.
No.
He's gonna
No.
blow. He's gonna blow.
Oh. That's
Okay.
not as bad as I thought.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be
I thought it
worse.
was gonna be like way worse.
I don't think I want that,
And
honestly.
dead as he was in life.
What?
Disgusting.
Ouch. Wait, did you
Wait, there was an extra bomb.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pick it
Back
up.
to me.
Pick it back up.
Wait, why was I all the way over here? That's not where I was before. Oh, I guess they just put me over there.
Weird. Okay. Well, he gone.
That's that, I guess. What's
He's-
over here that opened up?
He's gone,
Cool.
and I'm pretty happy about that. To
he
be
was
honest.
pretty annoying, so I was pretty down with him.
Yeah.
The exit's up ahead.
The exit's up ahead. Alright. Give us more ammo.
I think we're actually pretty good on ammo.
He bought all the ammo from Duke.
Wait, this should be down here.
What is that? Oh, it's poultry.
Chicken
Okay.
meat. Yeah, so we'll just put this over here.
Yeah.
Okay. A little bit of a perfectionist about that, but you know, it makes me feel good.
Okay, it's like the Poltergeist TV. Mother Miranda gave me a rose jar. No one likes me, which is why I thought they would leave me out again. But Heisenberg said that was why we each get a rose. The ceremony cannot happen without us all there. Mother didn't seem to care though. What is this, The Bachelor? Everybody
mean,
gets a rose.
I wouldn't like him either. He just runs around throwing up everywhere.
Maybe he should like get together with Duke, because Duke seems pretty lonely. Like, he's alone.
I think they're all scared of the Duke.
It's true.
I'm running on that theory.
No, 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 no,
Yeah,
no,
you don't have to
no,
read
no,
all
no,
those.
no, no, no,
You don't have to read all those.
Wait, I'm still going. No, 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 no.
Vlog. Oh, that's what he was putting in people?
Can we break it?
Alive?
Can we break it? Can we break it? Can we break it? Kill it. I want to kill it. Kill it. Keep doing it. No.
Are we supposed to do something with
Oh, wait.
this?
I think it's broken. Breaking. Nope. Darn it. What?
Oh.
You're better off than I thought.
The heck is this?
Who's that?
Oh, come on. We just met a while back. Not that it really matters.
To do with the hammer.
You're the last asshole in my way, aren't you?
You've got fight.
Let's do some like Scientology video or something.
But what's the plan when you have all
What's going on?
flasks?
What are you trying to get at?
I could lend you a hand.
Trying
Doubt.
to get on my good side?
So don't get
Could
caught.
use one.
I'd kill you if you weren't worth the trouble.
Okay.
There's a stronghold not too far outside the village. Go there and get my flask. Do that, and you pass.
I don't take orders from
First,
strangers.
head back to the
Suspicious.
graveyard.
Graveyard. Okay.
Self-centered prick.
I feel like we're really playing right into their hands by putting those flasks in there, but
Yeah.
then again, oh, we're in this room. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Why do the elevators in this game take so long?
I don't know, it's like, is this necessary?
Why do I need to stand here?
It's like, okay, we get it. We have to travel very, very far. Ethan and his, like, skills.
His third arm.
His third arm. I just like the idea of him having, like, 6 arms and we just don't know it. He's just like, he thinks he's normal. And like they moved to Europe and like everybody was just kind of avoiding them, and that's why they got shot. Like, and he's like,
This is extra arms.
yeah, he has like extra arms and like extra heads and stuff. I mean,
He gets to the castle Domitress and he's like, "You think you're an insect?"
exactly. I have 6 arms.
Pull out the crank.
Well, cronk.
Come on, pull the lever, crank. Alright, what?
The
I
shadows.
hate these guys. They're so janky. Fucking nightmare.
There.
I hate them!
Okay.
And not just because they're a pain in the ass, but also because they're kind of broken. Oh. Hi.
Oh, friend.
You know what?
Why not? At that point, you're just like, eh. He's supposed to round.
Killed by a single shot to his arm. With my spectacular aiming skills.
Ooh, treasure.
Oh.
Oh, Wolfsbane. Heck yeah, we can kill those
this-
lichens.
The big boomy gun?
That's the big boomy.
Mother-
Mother Miranda gave me a mountain. Now I can do lots and lots of Cadou experiments. This is my secret special laboratory. I mean, if you have like a secret special laboratory, you don't write it down. That's just like number 1 rule.
Amateur hour.
I did 3 Cadou experiments today.
We're just gonna spend this entire time wondering how to pronounce that name.
Yeah. But they all went pop and made a mess. I put the Cadou, and then I tried putting wolf blood from a needle into the spine. The person wriggled a lot and then killed my assistant. I could not hold it down, so I put it in a cage. Now I have to feed it. I mean, you don't have to.
Where?
Where?
Oh.
Hi, friends.
No. Doing it. We're going for it. Come at me, bro.
Oh, is that it?
Whoa, really?
That was,
This is my new favorite gun.
that was nice.
This is nice.
That was nice.
Very nice.
Nice.
Let's try it on this just for shits and giggles.
Whee! Oh,
I mean, I knew that was where it was going.
that was really short-lived.
It was so fun.
That was fun, though.
Oh, what?
I thoroughly enjoyed it.
What did we just trip on?
I don't know. He just tripped over his own foot. No, his third arm. He tripped on his third arm.